Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use Gemini in Google Meet. First, join or start a Google Meet session using an account with Gemini or supported Google Workspace Labs feature. So in the meeting, you'll have to click on the activity button just like this. When you click on activity button, it will show up this option. And you can click on start taking notes or any option you want. So if you click on take notes for me, Gemini will begin automatic note taking, capturing key discussion points, decision, and action items in real time. Optionally, you can enable transcription in the activities menu if you want Gemini to transcribe everything said during the meeting. Transcriptions can be reviewed after the call in Google Drive. And after the meeting ends, Gemini generates a summary with next steps, action items, and clickable timestamps if enabled. Review and edit Gemini's generated notes in Google Docs or Drive. Share and collaborate as needed using regular Google Docs sharing permission. Additional features include live translated captions for real-time language accessibility, AI enhancements for audio and video quality, including noise cancellation and studio look adjustments. Also, meeting summaries and action items are saved automatically for post-meeting review and follow-up. And these Gemini tools help automate documentation, improve accessibility, and let you focus on conversation by handling summaries, notes, and transcripts in Google Meet.